I am going to do my hair this morning, so I thought I'd just come on and do a live and come and say hi to you, because I've had quite a few questions coming into my messages and I don't always get a chance to reply to everybody individually, but I've got a bit of a greasy hair day today, and when I'm trying to stretch out my hair to make it go longer, I tend to braid it, so I thought, well, I'll braid it with you. And then if you've got any questions, we can just chat while I'm doing it. Anyway, hi everybody that's watching me now. Hi from Australia, hello. So first of all, like I said, this is, I think we're on day 3 of my hair now. So I like to wear it down a lot, it is long, but then obviously when it starts to get a bit greasy, I like to tie it up. So just because I don't want to wash my hair every single day or every 2 days, so I tend to join it up, tie it up. Okay, so I'm gonna do a centre parting. So to get a good parting, it's best to like brush back in the direction that you want the parting to go. So I'm going to go down, all the way down. Like that. Was that okay? Could you see that? Could you see the back of my head? Because I don't know what it looks like from the back. Let me know if you could see how that looked just then. And then I'm going to tie it off into a little bunch down on the side. Okay, so it's all tied away, and I'm going to work on just this side now. So I'm just going to comb it around. Okay, take a diagonal slice of hair. Now when I do it with my girls, I start quite high normally, but with me, I prefer to start a little bit lower. I think it looks a little bit more grown up, but that's personal choice. So take 2 fingers, split it into 3 pieces. Or try and make them equal. There we go, let's try again. There we go. And then I'm going to take this piece that's closer to my head, I'm going to make it go under the middle centre piece, and I've got a new centre piece. I'm going to take this piece right here and go under, catch that bit that's there, go under. And then I'm going to now, this piece, I'm just going to combine some hair with it. So I'm going to join some hair here. Go under. Oh, I can see. Let's see. My comb. Oh, I'm going to lose track now. My comb is, everyone keeps asking me about my comb lately, and you know what? I've had it for so long now that the name has been rubbed off of it. So I need to double check where I got it from. I know I got it from seeing somebody on Instagram. So I'll double check. So anyway, so back to this. So I'm going to take from the parting and combine it to this piece of hair here, like so. So I'm joining those 2 pieces together, and then take that under that centre piece like that. Come back to here. So I'm going to now, this piece needs to go under the middle, so I'm going to combine it with some hair from the side, take it under, and then I need to go back to the other side, so I'll just turn around. Take a piece of hair, add it together, take it underneath that centre piece. Can you see it okay when I turn around? I hope so. So now I'm going around the ear. So far I've been taking them quite equally, but now I'm going around the ear. I need to kind of bend around, so I'm going to go a little bit like triangular. So I'm going to go from the ear, hope you can see this, and I'm going to kind of go more towards the back. So instead of going downwards, I'm going to go from the ear again, but kind of go a bit more diagonally to get the hair. That way I don't get it all saggy around the back, like around the neck way. Okay, take another piece of hair. So these pieces, they keep being fairly standard, but around the ear you need to try and be a bit more careful when you're sort of going around the ear shape. Would just finish that, because so I'm going to take all of that. I think I've pretty much got all of the hair, so I'm going to take it down to the side, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish it off with like a little bun at the back of my head, so I don't need to worry about braiding too far down my neck, because I'm going to tie it off into a bun. And I don't know about you, but when I'm wearing a coat, if my bun's too low in my neck, it's just not very comfortable. Okay, so I'm just going to braid down there. I'm going to take this bobble off and just pop it over here. Hello everybody watching. And then do the same on this side. So I'm going to take this slice from here, just comb it through, split it into 3 pieces. And then, and this side of my head is, I've got a lot less hair on this side compared to the other side. I think I'm asleep on this side more. So my pieces are smaller to start with. Okay, gonna get that piece of hair. I was using dry shampoo a lot until I've read some not very good things. I don't know whether it's all dry shampoos, but I'm being carcinogenic, so I don't know if that's true, but anyway, I heard it. So would you post this live, please? Didn't catch it from the beginning. Yeah, of course. I'm not sure. I kind of thought that maybe it would just go straight to my stories when I've done it, but I'll see. I'll have a look. Yeah, so anyway, that's why I stopped using the dry shampoo, because I don't know, I just heard that thing, and then I just thought, oh, well, do you know what? I don't need to be using it. It saves some money. So anyway, a request to be in your live video. I don't even know. Right, okay, so I'm going to go from my ear now. So this last piece was just from my ear, so if you can see. And this next piece is going to be from my ear as well, from the same place. So that just helps to kind of bend around your ear. You're welcome. Yeah, it helps you to go around your ear, and it bends around the shape of your head a lot better. So again, I'm going to go from sort of around my ear again. So I'm sort of taking more triangular pieces from around my ear, just to help it sit to the shape of my head, basically. Okay, so get this last piece, and then that's it. So obviously, like, when you know how, it's quite speedy. I learned how to do my own hair when I was 8 years old. I think I just sat, and I thought my mum would be really impressed. And I came downstairs and I was like, Mummy, guess what, I'm just learning to do my plait on my hair. And she was like, she just told me off for not being asleep. But yeah, I just like tried, and eventually I got it, and it was really good. So now I can do my own hair. So, okay. I've got my 2 braids. They're not perfect, because I've obviously been talking to you guys as well at the same time. And now I'm just going to tie it off with a big bobble, because I'm going to finish it with a bun. Well, not a bun, like a kind of a messy bun, really. Like so, like that. But before I then do anything else with it, I just want to make these braids a little bit bigger. So I'm going to just come back and just, hope you can see this. I know my hair's darker than my daughter, well, it's brown, but I'm just pulling on those edges. So each little bit, can you see that okay? Does that work? Can you see it? Okay, so I've done that side. So you can see how this side looks when I've sort of teased it compared to this side. Hope you can see that okay. So there's that side, and there's that side. So I'm going to go back and just do the same on this side now. Oh, you can see it. Oh, thank you. Thank you for letting me know. Obviously, I don't have eyes at the back of my head. Can't see what's going on. Okay, although I'm a teacher, so I probably should have eyes at the back of my head. But that's obviously a myth. Teachers don't really have eyes at the back of their heads. Okay, I'm just going to sort of pull this up a bit as well, so it's not so flat to my head. Like when I do my daughter's hair, I sort of spray it with water and keep it really, really neat. But then when it's mine, I kind of try and make it a bit more relaxed. Okay, so I've just teased out those pieces. And now this time I'm going to do the bun. So I'm just going to take out these ponytails that I've got here on the end. And then I'm going to use another bobble. So I hope this comes across clear, and I'll explain what I'm doing, and it will just be a messy bun, but that's what I'm looking for. So I'm going to take this one here, take it around, but now I'm going to leave this side like this. I'm going to split the hair in half, like that. And now when I come back with this bobble here, I'm going to loop that hair that way, loop this hair downwards, and then go over. Can you see that? Is that okay? So I've kind of used a second bobble to, I've gone around twice, pulled it out, split it. And now with this part of the hair, I'm just going to sort of curl it back in on itself and pick it up in this elastic that's just there. Pull it out a bit. That's that bit done. And then take this bottom bit and then sort of twizzle it around a bit and then stick it into the elastic at the bottom. Like that. And then you just sort of fiddle with it and then that's it. So, I mean, I haven't got a mirror, so I can't exactly see how it looks. But, yeah, I mean, I'm only at home anyway. That's clever. I know it's clever. That's how I always do my buns. So easy. So super easy. And I tell you what is even easier is actually, I know, so simple, I know. So what's even easier is you can just do that bun with just one bobble. You don't even need to do the two. So when you did that first hair tie and you tie it together, just tie the braids together or tie your hair together. You can do the same thing with just one elastic. You don't even need to have the two, but I did it with the two just so I could go back and pull the things out because, I don't know, I was just pulling them out. We can pull, like, pancake them a bit, you know, whenever you want to. But anyway, yeah, you could just do that with one bobble. You don't need to have two. So anyway, that is the finished style. Just going to pull down a few bits. I mean, I didn't say how long I've been on live for, but I don't think it's been long. I know it's not long because I do this really quickly. Like, I had this for school yesterday. So, this is it. And when I go to school to teach, I have to leave really early on a Tuesday. And I always have to get my girls' hairs done. I've left the house by 7 in the morning, but I still had time to do this. So it is really speedy and it's easier than washing my hair because I don't have time. Because by the time you've washed your hair and then dried it, it takes me much longer to do that than it does to actually just tie it up and braid it. So anyway, that's done. It's finished. So I hope you liked it. And I'll hopefully, when I've stopped this, there's a way to get it to save, but we'll see. Okay, take care. Have a lovely Monday. Not Monday. What am I talking about? Have a lovely Wednesday. Have a great Wednesday. Bye.